Hey, here comes Alex pushing in. Go, Alex.
Girls were cutting bricks in the car before.